All right, guys, welcome to day one of the fall semester. I've got a two-part video for you today. I'm going to ask that you watch both parts from start to finish because they are going to guide you through logging into your Canvas account and navigating your classes. So this is going to be super important. Everything we do in these two video tutorials, I'm going to encourage you to bookmark, write down your passwords and your login. A suggestion that I have, one of my students gave this to me last year. In their cell phones, they make a new contact and they put the website name for the contact, and then underneath they put their username and their password. So anytime they have to log in and maybe they've forgotten their username or password, they can just go in their cell phone and find it under contacts. Whatever works for you, but everything we do in these two videos today are going to be things that we need to do on the daily this semester so that we can access our Canvas assignments and courses. So make sure that you are clear in your understanding. Make sure you feel confident in this navigation. If you have any questions, reach out to me and write down those username and passwords. All right. So first things first, we are going to go to my.ncedcloud.org. And this is going to be where we find a lot of the apps and things that we're going to be using this semester. I'm going to log on with my account, which is going to look slightly different than yours because I'm a teacher. But it's going to have all the same steps that you will have. You'll just see that mine has a few extra icons and things like that. So you're going to start by typing in my.ncedcloud.org. And once you get there, you're going to enter your username. Now your username is your PowerSchool number, or you might hear this also called your student ID or your lunch number. Okay, so that's your username. And then for your password, you're able to create your own password. But if you have not if you have not activated your NC EdCloud account, if you're a freshman or if you're a new student, or if you never updated your password, the password that you're going to use to sign in is your birth date. It'll be two-digit month, two-digit day, four-digit year. So for example, my password the first time I logged in was 04271989. Okay. Once you get in, you can update your password, change it to something that you feel is maybe more secure or easy to remember. But that first time you log in, it is your birth date. Okay. So let's get started. We're going to click on my.ncedcloud.org. All right. And this is your NC EdCloud page. You'll see that NC EdCloud is selected here in our drop-down menu, and you have a spot for your username. So I'm going to go ahead and enter mine. There we go. All right, and then you're going to see a spot for your password. Remember, if you are new to NC EdCloud or if you've never updated your password, it is your birth date, two-digit month, two-digit day, four-digit year. I have updated my password because I use this often, and I like to make sure that I keep a nice strong password. So I've saved it. I'm just going to enter it there and click go. All right, so now I am on my NC EdCloud homepage. Now, if you're sharing your device with a sibling or a housemate, you might find this page open a lot. To make sure that you're on your account and not someone else's, you can look right up here in the right-hand corner and see what account is logged in. You can also see the log out button. So if you get on here and see that your brother or sister or whomever is logged in, you can log out and transfer to your account. All right, now I have a lot of apps on here. You will have fewer, but the one that we want to find today is the red Canvas app, which is right here. Okay, so we're going to click on this and it will take us to Canvas. Oops, there we go. I'm going to move my screen recorder down. There we go. I think we've got everything in there. All right, so this is Canvas, and this is our home page. So when you log into Canvas, you will see on the left-hand side is your gray navigation bar. You've got your account, your dashboard, which is what we see here, your courses, groups, calendar, inbox, all your good little navigation things right here. You'll probably just want to stick to dashboard. You can select accounts if you want to, update your photo or anything like that. You can check out calendar to see deadlines and things. And then inbox is a really great place so you can see like messages and things that your teachers and classmates send to you. It's kind of like a built-in email. All right. Now in your dashboard, which is this page that it automatically brings you to, you will see your courses that you're registered for this semester. So make sure that whatever courses were on your schedule that was sent home, you see them here. If you don't see a course here on your Canvas dashboard, reach out to your counselor or your teacher because there might be a little glitch or something that we need to fix so that your courses show up. All right, before we move into courses, I also want to direct your attention to the right side of the screen here. You see coming up. Over here on the right side of the screen, you will see kind of a to-do list. I really like this feature. It's kind of a built-in to-do list. It tells you what you have coming up across all of your courses. So you'll see first here is an event, and I know it's an event because of this little icon right here. It looks like a little calendar page. And this is a first day assignment for my sophomore sculpture class. Okay, it tells you the date and time, which is August 17th at 9 a.m. And then it also says I have coming up an assignment, which is this little paper and pencil. And this assignment is hello, my name is. It is due August 21st at midnight. Now, you will see that under this assignment, there is not a class because all of my classes have this assignment. But traditionally for you, when you log on, you will see what course these updates are for. So if you're a to-do list person, check out the coming up spot. It kind of is a built-in to-do list for you. You'll also see view calendar, which gives you the same calendar view that I showed you over here on the left-hand side. Okay. So let's start looking around. I'm going to do the rest of this tutorial, the second half of the video, using my freshman drawing course. Now I'm also teaching sophomore sculpture and my AP class this semester, but you will find that all of these pages are formatted the same. So while the content is different, the layout and navigation is the same. So we'll just start by looking at my freshman drawing course. And in the second part of this video, I will help you navigate and find your way around your courses. It's important that you not only watch these videos, but actually follow the steps and kind of navigate and find your way around our Canvas pages because, again, each course is going to have different content. So I want to make sure that you can get around. I want to make sure that you can find your content. And if you have any questions, let me know on day one. That way we can get started and just get in the hang of our Canvas routine. All right, so check out the next video that is in the email that I sent to you, and we will navigate our classes.